Hi, welcome to Learn. Preparation tips and tricks to crack BBMP Pourakarmika Group D exam. Bruhat Bengaluru Mahanagara Palike, simply called BBMP, has announced a notification for the recruitment of Pourakarmika Group D vacancies. Those candidates who are interested in the vacancy details and completed all eligibility criteria can watch this video and prepare well based on this video. Application fee approximately for general category or OBC rupees 200. For SC, ST, PWD rupees 100. PH candidates nil. Payment mode: debit card, credit card or net banking. For more details, refer the notification. Age limit approximately maximum age 45 years. Age relaxation is applicable as per the rules. For more details, refer the notification. Pay details: approximately for Pourakarmika post pay rupees 17,000 to 28,950 rupees. Other pay scale details go to the official notification. Qualification: candidate should have 10th class equivalent from recognized board or university or institution. For other education qualification details, please go to the official notification and refer it. Selection process: eligible candidates will be selected on the basis of their performance in written examination test and personal interview test. Syllabus: general knowledge. It consists of geography, current affairs, famous books and authors, famous places in India, biology, artist, tourism, Indian politics, environmental issues, famous days and dates, countries and capitals, inventions and discoveries, Indian Parliament, rivers, lake and seas, heritage, Indian economy, civics, general science, sports, literature, Indian history. Verbal reasoning: sequential output tracing, direction sense test, number series, puzzle test, numbers, ranking and time sequence test, logical sequence test, arithmetical operations, inserting the missing characters, data sufficiency, machine input, inequalities, decision making, syllogism, sitting arrangement, analogy, classifications, blood relations, coding and decoding, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, alphanumerical sequence puzzle, mathematical operations, eligibility test, assertion and reason, situation reaction test, verification of truth of the statement. Non-verbal reasoning: paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, classification, analytical reasoning, mirror image, water image, spotting out the embedded figures, construction of squares and triangles, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, series analogy, completion of incomplete pattern, and figure matrix. Quantitative aptitude: clock, decimal fractions, HCF and LCM, age, area, average, banker's discount, pipes and cistern, probability, profit and loss, races and games, series of odd man out, series find missing number, birds and streams, calendar, chain rule, height and distance, logarithm, mixture and allegation, numbers, partnerships, percentage, permutations and combinations, simple interest, sets and index, time and distance, time and work, trains, compound interest, simplification, square root and cube root, stocks and shares. English language. It consists of close passage, fill in the blanks, spelling or detecting misspelled word, antonyms and its correct usage, common error, synonyms or homonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, idioms and phrases, active or passive voice of verbs, comprehension passage, spot the error, shuffling of sentence spots, conversions, sentence rearrangement, grammar, shuffling of sentence in a passage, improvement of sentences, one-word substitution. Let's see preparation tips. Developing familiarity with the syllabus. The first step prior to commencing preparation is to develop familiarity with the syllabus. Go through the syllabus well so that you can gather study resources accordingly. Accumulate study resources. The next step should be to gather study resources for the exam. Don't stuck with single questions. Do not spend too much time in solving one question. Set time for each of the question and follow the time. Be consistent with your revision. Revising the topics at regular intervals ensure that information is retained at the time of the exam. Since a high volume of information is processed, you must revise the main topics once or twice. Frame your study schedule in such a way that you have enough time for completing at least 2 to 3 rounds of the revision. Work on your weak areas. Most of the candidates focus only on the strong areas and leave the tough and uninterested topics for the last. This greatly affects the overall performance in the exam. Identify the weaker areas and devote sample amount of time studying them. Just to remember that if you leave certain topics or sections, you will lose out on marks. Every marks count in the end. Prepare notes. You must develop the habit of preparing notes since they will serve as a quick reference guide. When exam preparation reaches its peak, one does not get enough time to go through the entire topics. Taking notes will also facilitate faster and better retention. Be stress-free. The candidate should remain stress-free before the exam. Any kind of stress or tension will hamper the preparation. As a result, the candidates cannot do well in the exam. It is not easy to check any of the competitive exams, so any kind of the stress will bring negative impact on the performance. Grow positive attitude. You should grow positive attitude. You don't think about failure. You should always think that you can crack this exam with other students. So you should need best preparation. Give regular mock test. Candidates are suggested to appear mock test on regular basis at least twice a week for analyzing your mistakes and never repeat them and try to improve more. Be healthy. A sound body is the healthy sign of the refreshing mind. To do well in the exam, one has to remain healthy both physically and mentally. We hope the above preparation tips will help you. For reference book, please go through the description section under this video. Thanks for watching. Thank you.